What's up, YouTubers?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. Today we are going to be clearing up the headlights for the S2000, and to do that we are going to use toothpaste. We got glister, we got a toothbrush right here. We are going to see if we could clear up the headlights for the S2K because they are getting a little bit yellowish, and he's gonna do it.
No, you're not gonna do it? I think you're gonna do it.
And we're also gonna be showing a little bit of love to the S2K. It's a little bit dirty outside, inside. So we're gonna wash it up, clear it up. We're gonna do that today. And we might do something else. So it might be like a little of a headlight restoration video slash vlog kind of day.
Pocket water.
Pocket water. Got it.
Dang, that's dirty.
That is dirty. Look at this car. So filthy. Handprints. You can't see, but there's cat hair right here.
And cat went on inside the car.
The cat went inside the car, yeah. Cat footprints. It's filthy in the outside, dirty in the inside. I mean, this dust. Look at that. That's dirt and sweat and grime. That is just filthy, disgusting. We're gonna clean all this up. Before we could clean up the car, we are going to restore the headlights.
Yeah.
With toothpaste.
Yeah.
Don't tell my sister this is toothpaste. I'll get her a new one. Look at that. Scrub it in like this with a toothbrush.
Ooh, that looks shiny. Whew. Wow.
So once you apply the toothpaste, it should look a little bit like this. You want to get every corner, every inch.
Is that your sister's
Yeah, your tia's toothbrush. No, this this is not your tia's toothbrush. This is my cleaning toothbrush. What I use for my shoes. That's your tia's toothpaste.
my dear's toothpaste, but you said it was your sister's.
Yeah, your tia, my sister.
Wait, it's for my dear and your sister?
No, your tia is my sister. My sister is your tia.
Oh.
We're learning things here today. All right.
Why are you using your shoe cleans?
Oh, cause I use it for my shoes, so this is dirty. This could get dirty because I clean it all the time. So, because I use it for cleaning, we could do this. All right. So,
I think you still need more.
I've been told that toothpaste helps with the oxidation, and it could bring it back to life. So, I'm not so sure if this is gonna work out, but we're gonna find out today. So we're just gonna be doing circles and circles and circles and circles.
Actually, I want to do it.
I guess those are circles. We are going to add a little bit of water. A little bit like that. Scrub in again. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but from where I am, it's getting a lot clearer and it smells good. Oh, it's minty. So he's scrubbing ahead, trying to get every inch. So the more oxidated your headlight is, the more you have to scrub, I guess. So as he's putting water, I'm gonna be scrubbing. Look how beautiful that is.
And how look beautiful the water's on.
I mean, the car is so hella dirty, filthy. But look at this headlight. That headlight right there looks real nice. It still looks a little bit yellowish, so it might have to do it another ply. But as of right now, it looks pretty good compared to the one on the right. I mean, you can tell this one's getting oxidated, and this one was the better one. This one was really oxidated, but look how it looks now. All right, guys, so now we're going to the inside of the car, and this is everything I pulled out of underneath the passenger side. Half empty print energy drink, more energy drinks, more energy drinks, paper, a black ice, air freshener, speakers, because I do not have an auxiliary cord. I still have the stock radio right there. Whenever I want to hear my own music, I have my speakers so I could hear my own music. We got a lot of change right there. As I'm cleaning the inside of the car, he's going to be putting all the change into my little change bag.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Some more hot change. Some more hot change.
All of these, baby, all of them. So upon taking out all the change, picking up all the masks and all the papers and everything else, I'm going to disinfect and wipe down the dashboard. Look at that. That is all dirt.
Is this a man car?
Yeah.
One time a girl said, this is a lady car.
Look how dirty that is. That is black right there. Wow. Alright guys, so I already wiped down the entire inside of the car, the dashboard, the wheels, well not the wheel, the steering wheel. All it needs from the inside now is just the vacuum, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that at the self car wash, and we're gonna go head out to wash the car and then maybe do some shenanigans. Oh, I got my little ticket right here, my little code. The only problem I have is that my bag's plastic and it's tore up. There's a big ass hole in the back. There's gonna be water coming to the car, and if there is, I don't know how much water is gonna be inside the car. Put in the code.
Yeah, purchase Lux Wash. Please enter the wash.
Oh, put my windows up. Oh, here we go. Here comes the water. That's the hole I'm talking about. Look. Oh no, all this soap is going inside the car. Oh my god. I don't know if that would help.
Oh my god!
All this is filled up with water. I wonder if my carpet's gonna get wet. My carpet, because all that water in the back has to go somewhere. I regret it.
Never doing that.
So all this water has to go somewhere. Hey, we're gonna start our OnlyFans right now.
OnlyFans?
I just cleaned it up right now too. I use toothpaste.
Oh, it's gonna be, all this will be gone. It'll be clear.
Yeah, I only did this one because this one it was more oxidated. So I used toothpaste and I scrubbed it in and I took it a little bit off.
Oh, this will be gone.
So Mark right now is telling me to use this right here, the Headlight Restoration Kit.
It's the first thing you put on.
So we put in this first.
With this, and you massage it with that. Put it on,
Mas-
and then you get the towel, clean it, and then you spray it with the clear.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
AutoZone is like 30 bucks. Put some more.
Dang, that win.
Get like every little corner.
The edges.
Yeah.
And everything.
You gotta rub it like you mean it.
Thick.
Mm-hmm.
Two. So,
Let's see the magic work.
okay.
Look at the magic.
Damn. Hey, it makes a big difference. Better than toothpaste.
That's not all, folks.
There's more.
Yeah.
So
Even more better.
that's for
Oh,
that's new.
That's a clear coat.
That's
It's a
old.
so
real-
now that we wiped it down, I'm gonna spray the little clear coat. Shake the bottle a bit. Oh.
Holy.
Ooh.
See that?
Like brand new.
Yeah.
That's a mad difference.
That actually looks good.
Barely
Look at-
tell.
look at that,
Looks
look at that.
brand new.
Look at the other one.
Compare the two. Damn. That made a big difference.
It really did.
I'm telling you.
And I was gonna buy new headlights.
No need for new headlights. We got, what is that called? Headlight restoration kit. That shit really did a good job.
Feel like a professional now. Yeah, I'll be going to outside of Home Depot. Hey, you need your headlights to be restored?
Yeah.
Go to car
Oh,
meets
yeah.
like, yo, bro, like, hey, you know what? You need to shine those headlights. Let me help you out real quick.
Charge him like $10.
I won't charge you. It's just sucky sucky.
You heard that, guys? He's sucky sucky. And he'll clean them for you. Holy shit. Look at that, guys.
Clear coat. It's too windy, but it works. A little bit too windy, but it got the job done. Look at that. Looks brand new.
Damn.
The toothpaste worked a little bit. It made a difference. This right here really makes a difference. As you guys can see, the headlights look brand new. And this is something I'm trying to fix for a long time. And now it's done. Next on the agenda, as you guys can see, is the bumper. I was going too fast. The grill right here just flew off, going at 115. I just ran over it and it got destroyed. I either keep this bumper and put a new lip, go Voltex bumper, and go from there. That's it for right now. And I'll see you guys in a bit. So we were at the canyon. We're gonna do some, just go through the canyon, see what's up. It turns out there's a car accident. Apparently a car went off the cliff. That sucks. Hopefully the driver is good and alive. It's just what we were told. We don't know how bad the accident is.
I'm gonna see
Yeah, we can't see the accident. The accident's way over there.
what I'm gonna see.
But this is the line. I don't know if you guys
Nope,
can
there's a
tell.
car.
Hey, don't be slamming the door.
I just closed it.
And we're just waiting for to open. We're just waiting up here.
Why does it take so long?
Yeah, but we've been waiting for a while now.